little windy. But if you're wondering what your dad / husband is doing
Come on,
in California,
I still can't reach it.
we're on some rocks. Yes, I'm using your. Whoa.
I got it.
Good.
Woo!
Cool.
Got sand in it, but
Just one?
just one. I'm here on the USS Iowa. I'm here with a producer all week filming for this documentary we've been working on for a couple years now, and finally made it back out to San Pedro to get finished up with shooting here on the ship. Got my camera here behind me. I've been toting it up and down the steps. This thing is huge. This ship is massive and kind of gassed right now, honestly. But it's super cool, and I'm just kind of getting finished up for today. We still have a couple days of filming left.
There you go.
And bloop.
Yeah. Splash. Oh no. No, no, no.
Oh my God.
Yeah. I'm glad we took the card out.
A lot of money.
It's insured.
Oh, and you might be thinking to yourself, hey, Eric, where's your producer? Why isn't that person there helping you carry gear up and down really steep flights of steps? Oh, that is weird. You know, I wish I had that, but my producer fell
Yes, I'm using your. Whoa.
on some large boulders last night and twisted his ankle, but you know, he's limping around, he's on crutches. I don't know if he's gonna make it through the trip, honestly. I might be one-man band in this thing, so I'll keep you updated on that. Hopefully he can turn things around. Dude, what happened?
Some jerk dropped a battery in the rocks, and then another jerk tried to film him. That was a bad decision.
We're about to see an Angels game, baby.
Woohoo! Go Sox!
Okay, are you really a Sox fan?
No, I'm not a Sox fan, but they are from Chicago, so I have to root for them. I
But-
don't have a. Do you have any American League teams?
But we're both Cub fans, right?
I don't care about the American League at all.
But I do want to see a Trout and an Ohtani home run,
Oh.
which I think most people would like to see.
Good luck.
Oh well, let's see some dingers. currently in a traffic jam near Hollywoodland, climbing this large hill to Griffith Observatory.
Yeah, that's what we're telling people. We're actually going to Norah Jones.
Okay, we're not going to the Norah Jones concert, which is also going on at the same exact time.
Great choice for a night to go here, buddy.
All I wanted to do was see Los Angeles from a bird's eye view. I don't think everyone needs to come up to hear Norah Jones sing one song.
These people are the super fans.
Okay. So they're coming in from both places. Because the other road was super backed up.
There was no access to the observatory over there, it said.
Anyway, Pat's been my driver tonight. He's doing a great job. Only a couple fender benders. Otherwise, we're doing fine. He used to live here, by the way.
Getting pretty hangry, buddy.
Yeah, we haven't had dinner and we've eaten McDonald's for 2 meals today. So we're both going to
Don't
be...
put that on the record.
we're both likely going to be on the toilet all morning.
No free ads for McDonald's. Right.
Griffith Park.
Observatory traffic. Free parking ahead, 1,500 feet. We'll be there in 4 hours.
Either way, it's totally going to be worth it.
2,000 years later.
Oh, what the are we waiting for? That was so stupid. Oh,
We
God.
just waited 15 minutes for the wrong thing.
No, it was like 5, but, you know, still.
We just need to go up the hill.
Thank God for that one car. Oh, this is going to be fun coming down, but these people will all be at Norah by the time we leave.
The good thing is that we've got good tunes and good vibes.
I was just seeing those people. You know, I'm not the type of person who gets embarrassed by people seeing me do dumb stuff, but them watching me, a near 40-year-old man, listening to Norah Jones with another dude, just driving through LA. Low light monster, no light